In this video, I'm going to show you how to limit screen time on your Android phone, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time because in this channel, we don't waste our viewers' time. Open Settings app, then locate App Management. In some phones, it will be just written App, but in Infinix phone, it's App Management. Just click on it, then scroll down, just scroll down, then you will see this place for screen time. Just click on it. Then you will see the amount of time spent on each app. For instance, here I spend more than 2 hours and 22 minutes on Facebook. I can go ahead and set an app timer for Facebook. Maybe I just want Facebook to consume 1 hour 30 minutes of my day. Okay. Now, if that time reaches, Facebook will automatically be disabled until I enable it again. You can do the same for all the remaining apps. Maybe WhatsApp, you can set that you just need to spend 1 hour on WhatsApp. Okay. Now, by doing this, you'll be able to take back control of your Android phone without spending so much time on your phone without doing any productive or meaningful work. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you.